my name is Doug Munhan. I'm an application specialist at Designfusion. In this video, we'll look at using Siemens Process Simulate for event-based simulation of a pick-and-place robotic operation. Event-based simulation aims to support the design and verification of sophisticated production stations where a variety of robots, manufacturing resources, and control devices must function in full synchronization. In event-based simulation, signals are created to represent the logic of the process, and the events that occurred determine the course of the simulation. In this example, we want the robot to pick up the incoming part and place it on the correct conveyor. We'll do this by creating sensors and signals in our simulation. I start by creating a new compound operation and adding a non-sim operation that will act as the trigger to load the part onto the conveyor. I create another non-sim operation to act as the end of the part generation operation. Then I add an object flow operation to move the part along the conveyor. After testing the operation, I create a key signal that will start the operation. I link it to the operation by adding it as the transition condition for the trigger non-sim operation. Next, I switch to line simulation mode and connect the operations in the material viewer. This allows the part to be passed from one operation to the next. I add the load key signal to the simulation panel and link the operations together. Now, when I run the simulation, the part is only loaded if the signal is activated. Next, I'll create the pick-and-place operation for the robot. Then, I create another non-sim operation that will work as the trigger for the robot. I create a photoelectric sensor that will tell the robot to start its operation when the part is in the correct spot. I change the transition condition of the robot start non-sim operation to the light sensor signal. I test the operation and see that it's working. I then make another object flow operation to move the part along the second conveyor. I test the operation again and see that it's working. Now here's a look at the complete simulation. For the second part, I've repeated all the same steps. you can see how the robot operation is different depending on the part. This is the beauty of event-based simulation. You can test different conditions to see how your robot cell will perform, allowing you to fix errors before moving to the physical world. At this stage, the simulation can be connected to an external PLC program for virtual commissioning using Siemens TIA Portal or a similar program. Realistic event-based simulation enables you to analyze aspects of the manufacturing process that are not possible in time-based simulations. This includes calculating average cycle times, robot added and non-added values, as well as idle time. By leveraging the power of digital simulation, you can significantly reduce your production risks, shorten your time to market, and achieve a new level of quality and efficiency. I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more about Process Simulate or other Tecnomatix solutions, you can contact us using the information shown here.